Hello golf cart lovers, welcome back. Today, we're exploring the Kandi Mini Golf Cart, an innovative, compact electric vehicle making a big impact. It's not just a golf cart, it's a practical, eco-friendly solution for local travel. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about its features, performance, pricing, and whether it's the right choice for you. Before we proceed, please ensure you are subscribed and have notifications enabled so you don't miss new videos and updates from us. Kicking off the video, we'll highlight the unique features of this compact vehicle. 1. Collapsible size. A standout feature is its ability to collapse its wheelbase. Fully extended, it measures 8 feet, but it can shrink to just 5.5 feet at the push of a button. This makes it perfect for small garages or tight parking spaces. At just 35 inches wide, it can fit where most golf carts cannot. 2. Lightweight and portable. Weighing just 265 pounds, the Kandi Mini is lighter than a standard cart, which often exceeds 800 pounds. Its lightweight frame ensures better maneuverability and ease of transportation, even for those with limited strength. 3. Front and rear seating. Despite its small size, it provides 2 comfortable seats, front and rear, complete with seatbelts for safety. 4. Utility storage. The frunk, that is, its front trunk offers practical storage space for small items like golf balls, drinks, or groceries. This is a rare feature in golf carts of this size. 5. Customization options. Optional accessories, such as foldable windshields and roof kits, enhance its utility. These upgrades make it more versatile for different weather conditions. Now, let's dive deeper into the performance and specifications of this compact golf cart. 1. Motor power. The motor of this golf cart delivers a respectable 1 to 5 kilowatts of power. While it's not designed for off-roading or navigating steep inclines, it's perfectly suited for flat terrains, making it an ideal choice for golf courses, local errands, and casual neighborhood cruises. The motor's modest power output ensures a smooth and stable ride, allowing you to focus on the scenery or your golf game. 2. Battery life and charging. The Kandi Mini Golf Cart features a 1.8 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, providing a range of approximately 25 miles per charge. This is more than sufficient for a day's worth of golfing or running errands around the neighborhood. Charging the battery is convenient and straightforward, taking around 6.5 hours from a standard 120-volt outlet. This makes it easy to charge overnight. 3. Speed. With a maximum speed of 9 miles per hour, this golf cart may not be the fastest vehicle on the road. However, its speed is more than adequate for its intended purpose: safe and controlled travel around neighborhoods or golf courses. The moderate speed ensures a comfortable ride, allowing you to enjoy the surroundings without feeling rushed or compromised. Affordability and market comparison. Priced at just $4,999, the Kandi Mini is significantly more affordable than traditional golf carts, which often exceed $10,000. This makes it a cost-effective option for a wide range of buyers, from casual golfers to eco-conscious commuters. Its electric powertrain aligns with modern sustainability goals, offering a green alternative to larger, more expensive vehicles. Use cases and target market. For golfers, the Kandi Mini is perfect for navigating golf courses. Its compact size ensures smooth movement without damaging the greens, while offering just the right amount of utility for casual players. For urban dwellers and eco-friendly commuters, it is a practical solution for neighborhood travel. The Kandi Mini is ideal for quick trips like grocery runs, visiting friends, or even school drop-offs. Its small footprint makes it easy to maneuver in urban settings while reducing carbon emissions. It combines functionality with sustainability at an attractive price point. With all that said, let's address the cons of this vehicle. First and foremost, users will struggle with power limitations, as though, while sufficient for flat terrain, its modest motor struggles on steep inclines. Secondly, the 9 miles per hour cap might be a deal breaker for those seeking faster option. Lastly, a 25-mile range might feel restrictive for users needing longer travel distances. All in all, the Kandi Mini Golf Cart is a fantastic option for anyone seeking an affordable, compact, and eco-friendly electric vehicle. It shines in neighborhoods, golf courses, and local errands, offering a unique balance of functionality and innovation. If you're in the market for a versatile mini EV, the Kandi Mini should be on your radar. Let me know in the comments. Would you take it for a spin? Thanks for joining us for this review. Do well to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. We'll see you next time.